Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add Tabby to your Shopify as a payment gateway. So let's get right into it. Now, Tabby is a payment gateway used in the Middle East, in Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, and you can add it pretty much like any other payment gateway. Now, there are no official integrations in the apps as far as I'm aware. I've tried searching for it, but there is none. But what you can do is go into settings and set up your payments. And here you need to add your payment gateways. Now you can choose a provider, so just click there, and here you'll see the list of providers that are available for your region. Now Tabby should be available over here if you're in the region which supports it. I'm not, so as you can see, I have no way of adding Tabby over here, but this is pretty much all you need to do. Just select whichever one you want and then install it and add the proper information that you need. You can also use the bogus gateway to test everything out, but I'll be using the bogus gateway, and as you can see, you can just click activate once you install everything, and once you activate it, you can then use it as a payment gateway. This is the same process you're going to be using for Tabby. I don't have it available for me, so I'm not showing you that. I'm showing you this, but it is pretty simple to use. Now, if you don't find it available to you, even if you're within the region, you might need to use any API integration you might be able to find. I couldn't find any myself since, again, I am not in the region and I'm not familiar with how APIs work in general, so I won't be able to show you guys how you can do that, but this is pretty much how you install your payments. You might be able to contact Tabby themselves and request assistance, as well as the Shopify customer service team. They might be able to help you with this, but I'm not familiar with that, so I will leave that work up to you. Now, this tutorial is pretty bare bones and pretty simple, but this is pretty much how you set up your payments, and Tabby should not be an exception to that. So I wish you luck, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.